Is there anything more frustrating than missing a key price movement on a stock you're watching? You set a goal, you see the potential, but you can't glue your eyes to the screen all day. That's where the power of automated alerts comes in. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to set up price alerts for Newton so you can be notified the moment your target price is hit, whether you're trading a Newton-related stock or its crypto counterpart. First, a quick note on Newton, since there are a few assets with this name in the trading world. There's Newton Golf Company with the ticker symbol NWTG on the Nasdaq, or even Newton Resources on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, ticker 1231. There's also the Canadian-based crypto exchange, Newton, which lets you set alerts for digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum right in their app. The good news? The process for setting an alert is remarkably similar across most major trading platforms, whether you're using a dedicated stock app like Schwab or Fidelity, a multi-asset platform like TradingView, or the Newton crypto app itself. Let's break down the 3 simple steps to set a price alert for any of them. Step 1. Find the asset and alert feature. First, you need to locate the asset. In your trading app, search for the symbol, like NWTG for Newton Golf Company, or just look up a crypto asset like Bitcoin on the Newton crypto app. Once you're on the asset's detail page or chart, look for the alert icon. This is usually represented by a small bell or an alarm clock. Tapping this button will open your alert creation window. In some larger brokerage apps, you might need to go to your watch list or a dedicated alert section in the main menu to set it up. Step 2. Define your trigger conditions. This is the most crucial part. What do you want to be alerted about? You have several options. Price level, the most common. You set a specific price. For example, alert me when NWTG crosses above $2. You'll typically use above for a buying signal or below for a selling signal. Percentage change. Some apps let you set an alert for a move like, alert me if the price decreases by 5% in 24 hours. This is great for monitoring volatility. Technical indicator. Advanced platforms allow alerts based on technical indicators. For instance, alert me when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. Input your chosen price or percentage, select the trigger direction, above, below, or crosses, and then hit save. Step 3. Customize your notification. Finally, make sure the alert gets to you. Most apps default to a push notification on your mobile device, which is usually the fastest method. Check your app settings, sometimes under Profile or Notifications, to ensure push notifications are enabled for the app on your phone. Some platforms also allow you to receive the alert via email or a different sound, so you know exactly which asset is moving without even opening the app. Setting up a price alert is like having a digital assistant monitoring the market 24/7. It frees you from constant screen staring and ensures you never miss a beat on those critical entry or exit points. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.